In the picture, I saw three persons walking around a ground, farm field, carrying two persons are carrying a bag, and one is an elder person who is aged around 40, and the other two persons are aged around 15 to 18, and they are all three male genders. They are in a positive mood. From the picture, I perceive that Ranjish is a 12th class studying student. He has a family member of he has a family of three members. He, his dad, and his brother and younger brother. He works. He's studying in his 12th standard, as he is very studious and dedicated towards his work. He reminisces about the moment, about how he spent his life while walking through a distance of 5 to 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers towards his schools with his dad. His dad is a farmer. He knows, he is very much devoted to his dad. His dad is the best philosopher as well as the best friends to his life. So he dedicates his total life to his dad. He works hard towards his studies. He motivates himself towards the final exams, which is being going to happen in the next few months. He works hard for the exams, and as a backbone, he wants to be the backbone of his family. He works for his family, and at the very small young age, he knows the worth and the dedication which his dad forms towards his family. He gets a top list mark in his 12th standard. He then goes for his passion as an agricultural engineer. He becomes an engineer towards the agricultural field. He then later on, while doing his job, he just converts his work towards his farm field as well as becomes a better engineer, agricultural engineer. Thank you.
Don't ask me questions the moment the previous person is over. I told you, just start.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. In the picture, I saw three characters. Three of them are male. One is elder one, about 40 years, and two are about younger one, about 14 years. And all their mood is positive. This is how I narrate my story. Madhav is a blind by birth, and he is a self-dependent and does not show him he is blind to everyone. While traveling to Madhavpur, he just fell down. Ramu and Shivu, two young boys, found that he has fell down and helped him to get him up, and they came to know that he is blind and help him to get to Madhavpur. Then he goes to a hospital. The reason why he goes to a hospital, because there is a patient who needs a blood AB negative, and being blind, he himself being a self-dependent, he donates the blood to that patient. So the two young boys get inspired and they take a oath to donate their bloods. Thank you.
So I perceive the story as there are three characters. One is a male and two are females. So the male is around 35 years old and he has a positive mood, and the two are females are 25 and 20 years old respectively, and they too are in a positive mood. So Gautam was a 16th century king, visited one of his villages under his control in Maratha kingdom. So when he visited, the village was totally drought-ridden. So he went there and met two of the village representatives, which were Meena and Veena, who were the two representatives who were responsible for the agriculture department and the administration department. So he met with them, and there were a lot of problems in this village. So they discussed with them. The king used all his opportunities, all the resources that he had to resolve the problems. The drought was taken care of, and the administration part was taken care of. The administration was taken care of. So they were happy. Thank you.
Gentlemen, I saw three members in the picture. One is 40 years old, and two are 12 year and 13 year old. All are in positive mood. And the story goes like this. Ramesh is a farmer who has two children, Raghu and Ramu. He wants his children to be educated and become a respectable man in the future. So he joins his sons to the school. Unfortunately, the sons were bunking the classes and roaming here, wandering here and there. So he accidentally caught his two children and told them that whatever they are doing is wrong, and he inspired them that being educated and becoming a respectable man is a very honorable thing. So after this, the children realized that whatever they were doing was wrong. So after that, they became a good, respectable and educated man. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. According to me, there are three characters in the picture. All of them are male. Two of them are, the one in the middle is the father, he's 34-year-old. The rest of the two are his children. One is 12-year-old, one is 14-year-old. So the farmer's name is Sham, and he's a very hard-working farmer. He eventually makes sure that he earns enough for all his family and make sure that unlike him, his children are educated. He uses various government organizations such as Teach for India and other mechanisms to send his children to attain education. His children finally they do pretty well, and they become agricultural engineers and help him out in his farm and bring in new facilities such as HYV seeds and other new methods which the government had recently implemented, so that it becomes the entire family is better off, and the farm becomes a better place. Thank you.
Friends, I see three people in this picture. One of them is male and other two are females. The age of all the three is approx 25 to 26. All of them are in a positive mood. My story goes as follows. Ayush is a very responsible as well as young family member. He has two sisters, Kavya and Vaishnavi. They have a competition in school today, and as Monday morning, he is taking them to school. As we can see, he is holding their hands in this picture. We can see trees behind, so I perceive they are going through the road. And as they reach the school, they have the competition which goes neck to neck, and as the results are announced, Kavya is first and Vaishnavi is second. Ayush takes them back to home, and the family celebrates their competition. Thank you.